Today I'll be showing you 3 ways on how to color grade an image in Gimp. So let's get going. So what is color grading? Color grading is a way for us to enhance an image, enhance its color, saturation, and a whole lot more to make it look real. Basically, just changing the color of an image is called color grading. And by the way, this is Farhan, the guy talking, and you can check me out on my social media on Instagram, Twitter, and my Instagram username is graphicandart44 and my Twitter is graphicandart by Farhan. So make sure to check those out. I'll have links in the description. Now let's get into the real stuff. So first we're going to learn the easiest way to color grading, using a layer to color grade. As you would have seen on my successful tutorial, how to turn day into night, I color graded it with a new layer. That's what we're going to do here. So let me go ahead and create a new layer. Then we're going to select a color. Let me go with something that's like, I'm going to fill it with foreground color. Now go to mode, overlay. You can see the saturation too much. If you want to slow that down, you can either go to and change the opacity, but what we're going to do is send the mode to soft light. And this is the first way of color grading an image in Gimp. So we'll get on the next step in the next chapter. Second way is to use saturation color grading. You can already see I've duplicated this layer. I just like to create a backup layer when we're adding a filter. So go to the visible one. I'm going to go to colors, use saturation. What I want is a little dark red, but turn the lightness on and the saturation slow. There. I'm going to go to colors, shadows, highlights. Don't mess with shadows and highlights too much. We're just gonna go with white point adjustment. I'll leave this to you, but I like to use 10 points. I like to use it all the way up. And the radius, not too much, just 129 is fine. And compress 56.56. There. And I'm gonna preview you what happened. So this is how you color grade an image. This is the second way to color grade, and the third is coming next. Third way is to color temperature color grading. So duplicate this too. I like adding a filter and having backup. Now we're going to go to colors, color temperature, and just move it around. I want it to be like a bit afternoon like, and intended temperature a little slow. You can see it certainly color grades an image perfectly. You don't need white point adjustment or setting up black level. But if you want it to be like an icy, we can do that too. But the thing is, you're gonna only get some of the colors, not gonna get hue saturation very much. So you can only work with like red, this yellow, and the icy, and then orange, or you can also get green, but that wouldn't work. So I'm just gonna keep it around like this, an afternoon. Let me just preview that. So this is how these are the 3 ways you color grade on Gimp, and I'll see you soon on Friday.